Hello, this is Shiny, and welcome back to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders Thoughts on Education presented by College Dunia. Today we have with us Dr. Ashutosh Sandhe, sir, Professor and Head of Commerce and Management Department, TeamLease, Kiel University. Welcome to our show, sir. So, sir, to start this interview, I would first like to know that what are the latest programs you are offering in your department and how will that help students outperform and stand apart from the crowd?
Currently, we are offering a BCom in finance and business operations, and along with that, we are also offering a BBA, which has got three specializations, that is marketing management, financial management, and we also have sports management, specifically for people who belong to professional sports background.
Right, sir. So, next question is what are the factors that make these programs the best for the students to opt for?
See, we are a part of a skills university setup, and with people like me or even my team who have seen the industry or the corporate side, we exactly know where the gap lies between core academics and core industry. So for us, our outlying factor is that we intend to make the students wherever possible job ready or industry ready by the time they leave their graduation. So for us, the something that stands apart is our philosophy of skilling rather than just teaching core theory subjects.
Okay. So, what are some valuable insights of the program or the USP of the university
Yeah.
you're offering?
Yeah, to highlight some of the major ones. Number one, during each semester, be it BCom or BBA, we have a separate course or subject which is purely on skills development. For example, in one of the semester, we have accounting skills, we have business skills, we have corporate skills, we have marketing and finance skills, and so forth. That is number one. Number two, one entire semester after completing 2.5 years in the university, the last entire semester a candidate is required to go and work as an intern in the industry as a part of his or her on the job training. And specifically this on the job training is designed to be in the last semester so that the candidate can then continue his or her work with the industry, thereby giving them an upper edge or upper hand over the traditional graduates which come from other universities. That is number two. Number three, when whatever we teach, the subjects may seem similar, but the entire approach of teaching is highly practical. Suppose, for example, I'll just give you one example that we go for what is called as collaborative teaching, wherein a particular group of students is asked to promote a company. So the accounting part of that company is taught to them by the accounts teacher. I, as a student of law, will teach them the process of incorporation. Somebody else will teach them about the managerial aspects, and thereby, basically, practically, we teach them some of these fundamental domains. The next USP that we have is the stress on soft skills. That is life skills, communication skills, and personality development, wherein the students have for each semester they have either ECS, that is English and communication skills, and personality development, where their personalities are groomed and they are again mentally prepared to face the corporate world. So these are certain things that, as far as we are concerned, even the students of accounting, they actually learn tally, which I don't think anybody teaches them practically in lab, and the results are there to be seen for us.
Right, so very insightful. So, sir, how do you train yourself or the faculties to deliver these programs to the students?
Yeah. So constantly we are looking for the latest trends in our respective fields. We keep on searching. We attend workshops. We are all involved in writing research papers and contributing thereby. And as I said, since we have to teach things practically, we have to remain abreast with the latest developments in all the fields. So that is something that all the faculties, and since as I said, most of our faculties are those who are related to the corporate world, so they have this knack and they have their own sources of updating the knowledge. We don't stick to the same things.
Okay. Okay, sir. So, any challenges that you faced while inculcating these programs into curriculum?
The challenge that initially we faced was that since commerce as such is traditionally known to be a theory based subject, So even nowadays, people ask us that how come, how do you put in practicals when it comes to a subject like commerce and management? So that is where then that was the initial challenge, that since our degrees, the nomenclature of the degrees is same, that is BBA and a BCom. So a lot of time it seems slightly difficult to convince people that look, it may be a BCom or it may be a BBA, but the pedagogy is totally different, the ideology, the philosophy is totally different. That is number one. Number two challenge initially we faced, now we have overcome that, is the students' patience, that the students' capacity to be here in the campus for the entire day, because the content is like that. But then once they come in, when they see that things are not totally classroom oriented, they're supposed to do field work, they're supposed to be in the labs. Now later on, once that is the only teaching problem that we face. But then once they come, the students are there on their own throughout the day.
Okay, sir. So, sir, we have come to an end of this interview. So, I would like to end this interview with the question that any suggestion you have for current youths and aspiring students, sir?
Yeah, the suggestion would be that along with your degrees, what industry wants is the application part. Be logical, be analytical. Whatever you are studying, whatever you are doing, have aim in life. Have your, what we teach in management, plan your career, and accordingly go ahead with a vision, mission, and objective. Don't just study for the purpose of getting a degree. Degree is one part. What is required by the industry is your knowledge and how you apply that knowledge. And for that, be analytical. That would be the underlying factor.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for your interview.
Welcome.
Thank you from College Dunia.
Thank you.